How to use English articles a and the correctly. English articles a, n, and the can be confusing, but understanding when and how to use them will improve your writing and speaking. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound, like a cat or a book. N is used before words that begin with a vowel sound, such as an apple or an hour. It is used for specific items that are known to both the speaker and the listener, like the cat on the table or the book I lent you. Remember, a and an are indefinite articles, used for non-specific items, while that is a definite article, used for specific items. Additionally, when referring to general ideas or things, we often don't use an article like in I love music. Practice using articles in sentences to reinforce these rules. Over time, you'll become more comfortable using them correctly.